We're going to show you how to change the date and time as well as the language for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9000 series printers. This is also applicable for those HP Plus printers under this same printer series. So let's head over to our control panel. From the control panel, scroll down. Tap on Settings. Select Preferences. You can see that the settings for date and time and language is shown on the screen. Let's change the date and time. Let's set the date. So today is the November the 10th. Select Done. And the time is 1:30. Select Done once the time is set. We'll leave it in the 24-hour format. Let's go back. We can now select the language as well. Select Language. So you can choose from the list of languages over here. We'll leave it as English. Confirm. You can see that the date and time is as per what we have just set. And so this is how you set the date and time as well as the language for your HP OfficeJet Pro printer.